my name's Ricky. I am a co-founder and creator of Project 24. In just the past 2 years, we've seen a major shift in how and where people work. Disruptions come from the pandemic, inflation, the housing market, even the Great Resignation. All this points to an unprecedented level of uncertainty, and people are looking for clear answers on what to do next.
I believe people are creative. People have the drive to overcome, people have the power to change, and we are already seeing that change.
Blogging is no longer some sort of new and niche thing. It has been transformed into a proven method of creating an amazing source of income for thousands of people all over the world.
We've put together a specialized team, broken down every element that makes a successful blog, and put a human behind it that lives, breathes, and consumes it daily. We actually write blogs and have YouTube channels. We practice what we teach.
We have built more than just a roadmap that walks you through phase by phase, step by step. We've built a system that has already helped thousands of people, and we're constantly refining and expanding it to be the best resource for content creators at every step of their journey.
We are your team in your corner, here to help you succeed and thrive with your blog. And this team is backed by a growing community of people just like you on the same journey.
This is Project 24. Join us today.